Very good start from Van Doorn, and De Vries has got away well too.
Assalamualaikum positive people, balik lagi nih bersama Aksa Nation YouTube channel penjelajah kebaikan kota kebanggaan bangsa. Udah tinggal bentar lagi nih gelaran balap mobil listrik Formula E Jakarta Prix untuk pertama kalinya digelar semakin dekat. Wow, yang udah punya tiketnya pasti makin deg-degan. Enggak lah ya, cukup pembalapnya aja yang deg-degan, kita mah penonton nanti fun-fun aja nontonnya, di bawah happy gitu. Jangan sedih apalagi galau gitu kan ya. Ya kalau nontonnya nggak sama Ayang mungkin galau gitu. Oke, nah hari ini kebetulan Kamis 2 Juni 2022 Aksanes ini berkesempatan untuk meliput kegiatan di Monas nih, yaitu jamuan makan dari Pemprov DKI kepada Formula E, baik itu pembalap dan lain sebagainya gitu ya. Dan ini emang terbatas, jadi emang nggak semua orang bisa masuk gitu kan, harus ada akses. Kalau teman-teman tanya tadi komentar kok sepi, ya iyalah, emang semuanya nggak boleh akses, nggak bisa asal masuk lah dan lain sebagainya. Jadi emang dijaga ketat. Nah, ini kan kemarin kita udah sempat ngebahas salah satu pembalap yang berdarah Indonesia, Nyck de Vries. Yap, alhamdulillah banget tadi Aksa Nation sempat ketemu langsung dengan Nyck de Vries. Wah, ya kita tahu bahwa Nyck ini adalah pembalap Belanda, kewarganegaraan Belanda yang membela Mercedes EQ. Nah, pokoknya tim Mercedes lah ya, di gelaran balap mobil listrik Formula E. Nah, dia ini adalah warga negara Belanda namun kakeknya ini berdarah Indonesia. Jadi ya masih ada darah-darah Indonesia. Dan ya kalau Aksanesa riset kemarin, dia tuh sempat ngerasa bangga gitu, ngerasa seperempat darahnya adalah darah Indonesia. Jadi ini balapan ini jadi pulang kampung gitu, jadi berasa kayak pulang kampung ke Indonesia. Dan Nyck ini ternyata suka banget sama lemper gitu loh. Tadi ini sempat denger wawancara sih di pas press conference gitu ya. Nah, Nyck ini suka banget sama lemper, makanan khas Indonesia itu suka banget lemper. Dan Nyck de Vries ini lahir pada 6 Februari. Nah, Aksa Nation lahirnya 5 Februari. Jadi kita kayak beda sehari di tahun yang sama. Wah, ternyata ini ya, kita satu rasi bintang. Asik. Oke, ini informasinya ini nggak penting. Oke, seperti itu tadi nggak penting. Itu cuma ini doang ya, bridging aja. Oke, nah Nyck ini kemarin di Formula E tahun lalu dia udah menang pembalap yang menang di ajang Formula E. Nah, kemarin di Jerman juga skor dia itu yang paling tinggi di Berlin ya. Di Berlin ini skor dia yang paling tinggi. Nah, tadi Aksanesa sempat klik-klik dikit gitu ya. Bagaimana tentang Nyck ini, bagaimana persiapannya dan lain sebagainya gitu. Cuma kalau translate-nya agak berantakan, mohon maaf ya. Cuma ini yang Aksanesa tangkap sih dari apa yang diomongkan Nyck aja gitu loh. Jadi ini yang Aksanesa tangkap. Nah, kalau teman-teman mau bantu translate boleh kok tulis di kolom komentar. Oke, langsung aja kita lihat bagaimana wawancaranya amburadul. Oke, ya mohon maaf lah kalau ada salah-salah kata, namanya juga gue nggak jago-jago banget bahasa Inggris, harus mengakui gitu. Nah, terus setelah wawancara Nyck, Aksanesa juga berkesempatan wawancara dari tim Jaguar Racing yang sempat diwawancara juga. Langsung cek this out videonya buat yang belum subscribe karena Aksanesa ini udah wawancara eksklusif nih. Wih, subscribe dulu ya guys.
Passion is very exciting, and generally, the Asians are very genuine, passionate about our sport. So it's great to be here and give something back to them. Hopefully we'll have a good race and a good outcome for us.
Thanks, Nyck.
Thank you very much. Can I have a photo with you? Yeah, sure. Sorry.
Terima kasih Pak.
You're welcome.
So actually, I have a Aussie. His name is Boy Jeffrey.
Boydefridge, really? Okay, same name.
Same.
Nice, nice. I'll say hi.
Yeah.
Nick, can I interview with you for
Yeah.
my vlog?
Interview for his blog.
Go ahead. Sorry. Nick, which one do you choose, going to the gym or playing piano?
I would have to say gym because it's part of our job, and unfortunately I haven't had much more time for my piano. Obviously in COVID time it was great because I was spending much more time in quarantine at home, but now I've been extremely busy. I think I've been 3 days home in 2 months, so my piano is probably a bit dusty.
Okay. What do you feel to race in Jakarta?
I'm very happy to be here. Obviously you might know that I have some Indonesian genes, and generally I just love coming to Asia. So to come back here is very exciting.
What is your impression of seeing the footage of Jakarta Epic Circuit at first time?
The circuit.
Yeah.
It looks good. It's quite flowy, and I think it's not so slow. There are not a lot of low speed corners, which is nice. I usually enjoy tracks that have a bit of a kind of momentum. So it looks really good. The tarmac looked quite clean when I walked on it this morning, but obviously it's still early days. We haven't started our race weekend and day yet, so let's see, but so far it looks good.
Okay, and then what's your preparation for Jakarta Epic?
Honestly, our preparation is the same wherever we go. We always spend 2 days in the simulator. We have a pre-event meeting, and actually we just follow our kind of our procedures and processes we usually do before each event. So yeah, that was our prep, and hopefully that will put us in a good place to fight for good points on Saturday.
And then as the champion of Formula E last year, what are your strategy to defend your title in this Jakarta Epic?
Well, of course we cannot defend our title just here. We still have 8 races to go, and each race has the same value. So of course we're looking to score good points here in order to, I would say, catch up a little bit, but ultimately it's a long championship. We just need to stick to what we know, and hopefully when things go well, we can defend both championships.
Okay, and then before you go to Jakarta, did you find out first about Jakarta and Indonesia? What do you think?
Well, I've been here before. I've been to Asia before, but as I said, it's been a little while because of COVID and everything. I have friends here, obviously. Sean Galal, who is a good friend of mine. I've visited him before. I've been to Bali. I've been to visit him in Jakarta. So it's not my first time. I've also seen a little bit of Bali. So that's it really. Nothing really else to say.
Okay.
We are preparing ahead for the race, and that's the most important for us this weekend.
Last question, do you have any advice for young Indonesia children who to be driver?
To be a driver? Well, whatever your dreams are, I think you should always try and pursue them, because no one is telling you that, or no one has the right to tell you that it's not possible. So yeah, pursue your dreams, believe in them, and do the best you can to make them happen. And even if it's not maybe a driver as itself, there is always work and opportunities in this industry. And I think if you have passion for what you do, that is ultimately the most important.
Okay, thank you. Can I take a picture?
Yeah, sure.
It's actually, it goes by like that because it's like 20 Le Mans in one. And it's like
Jaguar.
traffic is fight. The guy could go back and you fight it, and Ines is on the no. I need to fight. I need to win this one.
Yeah.
Like all the tourists, they back down, and me, I go, and then if you appear to be crazier than them, then they run. So like when you imagine like there's like way there and way here, and then these guys want to turn like.
Nah, ini pembalap dari Rocket apa ya, gue jadi lupa. Rocket Team.
Makasih.
Oh, terima kasih.
How about your opinion about Jakarta?
It's hot.
Oh, so hot. Oh, yeah.
Hot, but very nice people.
Oh,
Very
thank
nice
you.
Very kind.
What do you like in Jakarta? Are you for the first time or
Yeah, first time, only
first
one day
time.
here so far. So
one day?
yeah, but good food, good people, and good race.
Good race. So, sorry.
Okay, for the new circuit, new challenge, what are you good preparation for this circuit?
Very good.
Should be good.
you-
There's full fans,
Mhm.
I think, right? Because Indonesian fans love motorsport.
Mm.
And 1 and 2 maybe in the race. Good.
For me, I signed.
Yeah. Be
Are
fun.
you but already unboxing your car?
Yeah, I need to go back later and put it together, but it's
Oh.
yeah, it's
At
Me-
Ancol.
my team is a bit better because I have mechanics.
Oh.
They prepare the car.
Okay,
Oh,
maybe
yeah,
since
sorry.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.